Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you guys had a great Thanksgiving yesterday and didn't eat too much food. We're live, we're back. Friday, ready to make some money here. We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna keep it moving like always. I hope every one of you had a great Thanksgiving. Mine was pretty chill. Had family come over, so we just hung out, ate food, laughed, played played some games. That was it for me. Let me get ready to get these charts on the screen here. Good morning, G.
Morning, morning.
How you feeling today, sir?
Great.
We'll take it. We'll take it. I'm ready for bed. Had a late one yesterday. Good morning, Steve.
Hey, I'm just checking in live from the campsite. I just want to say what's up to the crew.
Yep. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Well, appreciate you
Oh.
checking in.
You guys keep it real, right?
Yep. Stay warm out there.
Oh, right now we're cooking. We have percolator of coffee over the fire. You know I'm a master fire builder, man. All right next door.
Awesome.
Oh, but listen, I appreciate
Well,
everybody
it was cold last night.
Yeah, it's 44 this morning on the campsite, but we're toasty.
Oof.
Mm.
More power to you. More power to you, sir. We had that bear flag print right around 9:14 ish. So we're going to have to see what we actually get here, because I feel like we may want to come on down, which we're currently doing. We got the close from yesterday, 25,314. Eight more minutes for market open here, so we're going to see what we get. No rush today. I'm literally in no rush. I low key slightly didn't even want to jump on the charts today because of yesterday. Market really for us, banks are closed, so it's closed for me as well. But we're gonna see if we can make some money today. If not gonna push it. Maybe a shorter stream today. I gotta go to the DMV today. I'm excited about that. G, any big plans for the weekend, sir?
No, not really. Chilling.
I feel that one.
Chilling like a villain.
Only way to chill, man. That's the only way to chill.
Like a villain. Well, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, I made some good money going into Thanksgiving that Wednesday.
Okay. That's awesome.
I had posted it in the discussion.
Oh, you did? I didn't see nothing. I gotta see what's going on with my notifications with Mighty Networks, because whenever stuff gets posted, I never get notified. It's weird.
That out. Put that out, Duane.
Let me go ahead and, since we got a couple extra minutes here, let me go ahead and jump over here. Let's see how Mr. G did. Yeah.
On my growth account too.
Oh, that's awesome. So where does that put you? How far are you?
I'm like less than $2,000 away.
Okay. No, that's awesome. Yeah, I had a couple growth accounts actually renew last night on me. I forgot I canceled the subscription, so I got 3 fresh ones that I'll probably trade a little bit today. Did he eat any good food yesterday?
Oh yeah.
What was the go-to yesterday?
No, well my boy I grew up with. He moved up here.
Okay.
I went to his spot. His wife cooked. She made some. We didn't have turkey though.
Turkey's not all that. You know what I'm saying? Like I eat more ham than turkey.
Right. Nah, she made some vegan ribs. Fire.
Okay.
Fire.
Yeah, I had yesterday. I cheated. I cheated hard yesterday. Not even going front. Because I hadn't had my mom's like cooking in 2 years.
Ooh, what did mommy cook?
So she cooked a little bit of everything: stuffing, mac and cheese,
I know you tore it up.
sweet potatoes.
I know you tore it up.
What else she cooked? Cracked corn. Didn't have the cracked corn. Yeah, just an assortment of stuff. So I definitely had some stuffing, some mac and cheese, some ham, and I had some of her desserts too. It was a wrap.
Did she come to your spot or you went to her?
She came in my spot. My whole family came over to my place.
Okay.
So I normally host the holidays. Just we have more space to spread out here.
Right.
From tables on the pool deck, on the patio out there, then tables in the house, like multiple couches, TVs, just tons of areas for people to just hang out. So I'm ready for market open. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for market open, people. We're excited because I got that feeling we about to make some money today. Another bear flag. I'm seeing another bear flag. Ish. I'll say ish. Because we had one bear flag. Let me start drawing on the charts here. My mouse wants to work. There we go. So we had, so far we had this bear flag. That's one. Another bear flag right there. That's 2. Want to see if we get a bear flag over here. We had a bear flag on the 5-minute as well earlier. I want to see the bulls hold this price on this 5-minute until market opens. Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking.
Wishful thinking.
So that's showing that we got a pivot point. Well, on my trading view, it's not showing me a pivot point. That's weird. I know the CME or whatever had some issues, so they had reopened this morning. So I'm not sure if that's going to affect some of the pivot points and all that stuff today.
Market just opened.
Market's open. So that was delayed. That was a weird delay right there. I yellowed on one of those freshly funded right there. Got stopped out, but that was weird. It's just all, I don't like that. That was like crazy delayed. Yep, looking like a bear flag on the 2-minute once again. Let's see. Or, could go either way. So, I'm holding. I'm waiting.
Little bit of money.
Today's going to be a short stream. We'll see how long I want to stay. I got to go handle some stuff today before the end of the month here. I got to renew my registrations for all of my vehicles. Very uneventful open today. I will say that. I'm still slightly hungover from last night eating all that food. So, bear with me. All right, come up to make a new high here. Let's see if we tap it. That's the overnight high as well. At the 399 for the overnight high. So let's see if we make a new one here. Because I feel like if we do, we're going to tap it and possibly stair step up. We may be building out a bull flag up here. Let's see if we actually get one. I wouldn't mind some decent structure. If we could get some decent structure on that flag, I would not be complaining. All right, just made new highs right there from the overnight session. Want to get above this yellow line.
For that dip, that's just gonna drop.
So on the 1 minute, we did build out a small bull flag. I want to see on a higher time frame, so I'm flipping through. Let's see if we get one. There's not a lot of follow through. Just like on Wednesday, the market was moving, but it wasn't like moving. Well, I stand corrected right there. All right, it's moving now. That bull flag definitely would have paid. On my trading view, my pivot points aren't showing. The CME had some issues this morning. But over here on the charts, you guys can see it is showing me the pivot points in the resistance zone. So we are good over here still. The market always repeats itself. So let's just wait for the next flag. Strong pullback right there so far. Let's see if we're going to build out structure. Let me jump to the 2 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. Tapping that yellow line. But we just engulfed that previous candle right there. Come on, Betsy. Close out of that one. Came down. I don't have my pivots on my trading view right now. CME had some issues this morning. Came down here to a pivot point on the Ninja Trader. That's why I closed out.
I'm still in it. I stayed in it. You should have stayed, Duane.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Not stressing it. Definitely not stressing it. Andre, good morning, sir.
Let's go. Let's go. Look at that 1,500, man. Let's go. Let's go. On to the next.
On to the next. That's awesome. Did he just pass it?
Oh, no.
That's awesome.
Freaking gold, baby.
Rotating to the next one.
Looks like it wants to go, keep going down. Looks like it wants, that's what it wants to do.
Respect to you too, millionaire. I see you. Andre, I could hold long, but I like short. I like to be quick with it.
Damn, boy, that was 1,400 more right there. Oh, go.
I didn't like when we came down to the pivot on the Ninja Trader.
I wish you stayed, Duane. I wish you did.
I'm not stressing that anymore. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Because whenever I feel like I should, like, I always end up messing myself up even more. You know what I'm saying? Like, where it's not worth it.
Right.
No, I know. I was in a sell, Andre. I just wasn't trying to hold it because I don't have all my stuff pulled up today, so I'm not risking nothing. Because the CME this morning had some issues, so because of that, trading me, it's not showing me my proper pivot points or anything like that. So, not trying to get caught. Not trying to get caught.
Now it's shooting back up.
That's why I'll take what I can get right now. You know what I'm saying? Like,
that's what I did too.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Right. Let's go. Oh, I'm done with that. I ain't traded on that account today. Oh, that's it. Bruh, in the minutes. Bruh, 1,400. Like right there. Crazy, bro.
We got 2 more minutes for 9:45, gentlemen. 2 more minutes for 9:45 for that 15-minute range to be completed. Just over here patiently waiting for another move to set up for us. The flags always repeat themselves. Let's see if we get below this pivot point.
Yo.
That's around the Ninja Trader. Tonight, having the traders hang out tonight. 9:15 tonight, we go live. So if you guys want to hang out tonight, come hang out with us again at 9:15 tonight. No trading, just good conversations and entertainment. On this 2-minute, that's looking like a bear flag trying to print. On the 1 minute, it looks like a continuation of a bear flag. coming down to the yellow line, so I'll wait to see if we get through it. We do have buying pressure down here at the lows of this candle currently. We can tell by the wick. And on the previous two other wicks, we do have a bottom wick there. So the buyers are down here. Yo, I am cold today. Nice and nippy today in the house. Just tap that 21 EMA right there. Just tap the 21 EMA. That 15-minute range is completed as well. We're currently below the middle of that 15-minute range. Come on, Betsy. Let's see what you're going to do for us. And since it's after that 9:45, I'm going to switch over to one of my other accounts. Andre, you feeling good today, sir? We're literally tapping the middle of the 15-minute range. So you already know what we don't do. We do not diddle in the middle, gentlemen. So we just got to wait. We got to wait for the move. I want us to either push a little bit higher above this 15-minute middle range or below it. Not trying to trade sideways in this range right now. So let's see if the bulls could possibly take us higher. Come on, market. Let's see what you're going to give us. Are we going to go retest the high of the 15-minute range? If we are, I'm all for it. We got less than a second until the next candle starts to print. Let's see if we possibly build a bull flag up here, which I would not mind. Give us some structure for the market. Yeah, let's see if we get a bull flag. Want this candle to stay red to build out a bull flag for us. We got that wick on the bottom too. Let us know that the buyers are there. The buyers are there. Are we going to get some structure on this flag? Less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds till the next 2-minute candle prints. Right back to literally the middle of the 15-minute range right there. So I'm going to be hands off for a little bit because I'm not trying to trade right here in the middle of this range. Tapping that pivot point. All right, we got that big old wick. We got that big old wick. It's like I want to go long right now, but we're so close to the middle of this 15-minute range where I'm like, do I go long? There's the middle of the 15-minute range tap once again. There is some selling pressure on the 1 minute. Yep. Too close to this middle for my liking. Too close to this middle. Patience, people, patience. No need to rush. No need to rush. We're consolidating right here, so let's get ready for the move. Lots of consolidation, so that's a good sign. That means a move's about to happen of it, so get ready. These Rincos are dancing just right there. That's all consolidation, so do not jump in during the consolidation. I know easier said than done, but It'll save you in the long run. No momentum yet. So just wait for it. I got the finger on the trigger. Ready to execute along if we pop above this yellow line with momentum. If we don't, no trade's going to happen. Right back to close to the middle of this range, the middle of this 15-minute range, people. Do not diddle in the middle. It is not worth it. Look at these bars, so tight. Straight consolidation right now on the wrinkle bars as well. So not trying to jump in while it's consolidating, people, because it's not worth it. It's not worth jumping during the consolidation. How's everyone feeling today? Is everyone good? Are you slightly hungover from all that turkey last night? I ate a lot of ham. I'm more of a ham guy over turkey. I think I had like one piece of turkey because my dad smoked it. But other than that, it was ham all night. On that 5-minute, we got that selling pressure on that candle. We need some momentum right now. I need to see some good momentum. Yeah, I'm good with it in either direction. It does not matter to me. We get paid the same, so it honestly doesn't matter. All right, we're below that middle of the 15-minute range right there. We had a small little bear flag print on the 2-minute. I was looking for the bull flag. Not going to chase this yet. I want to see us get below this previous wick at 36275. 36275 for me to possibly take a short. But we also have that pivot. Yep, at 36242. That's a pivot. No, man, today's like the way the market's moving. It reminds me of like a Sunday when the market opens Sunday night, because there's not a lot of momentum and it's slow. It's just slow right now. I do not trade Sunday nights. I've looked at the market. I've never traded it. Moves too slow for me. Well, Andre, if it's going crazy for you, that's good. For me, I feel like those overnight sessions, they move too slow. I need speed. I need speed. Came up to my yellow line on the chart. We did not break through it yet. This is looking like one big bull flag with a lot of structure to it. So I'm just waiting to see if we actually pop through. If we do, I'll take that long. Come on, Betsy. All right, we popped barely through the line. I need some momentum here. This is crazy. Look at that wick that just is on that candle right there. Oh, one of my kids is, that must be Ava or Duane. What are you doing? Good morning. I love you too. So that's Ava, because my son can't type that. Not on his iPad at least. So good morning, children. Looking like a bear flag right here on the 2-minute. I was looking for that longer play. Looking like a bear flag there. Microphone? Oh, okay. The talk to text speech. Gotta love it that my kid's doing. We're sitting real close to the middle of this 15-minute range, so not trying to just jump in and jump in. Got this pivot point below us. That's why I'm not just jumping in either. Trying to be patient. Trying to be patient. If we get below the pivot, I'll probably take it short, but we gotta get there first. All right, there's the pivot touch. Just retested that pivot. Let's see if it holds us down now. We got the VWAP below us as well. I did not like that. Did you just see that? That's crazy. I may just close out. I did not like that move that the wrinkle bars just did right there. Yeah. Close. Did not get that move, but that was weird. The wrinkle bars just popped up, popped down like that. That was extremely weird. Let me rotate to a different account. There we go. Is that the right one? That it is. Said hi. How's everyone doing so far for today? This action, we're right here at the middle of this 15-minute range. We gotta get away from it. We have to get away from it, people. Literally sitting right dead center in the middle of this range. So all we can do is wait. All we can do is wait. Thank you, son. I appreciate it. Not my 4-year-old in the chat doing talk to text. Gotta love it. Okay, Andre. Just seeing your chat there. Make that money, sir. Make that money a day. This market is so tight right now. Crazy. Like in this 2 minute, looks like a bear flag, but we got this pivot point, and we gotta get below that pivot for it to actually like start coming down. So we're gonna have to wait to see who wins today. Are we gonna lose this pivot point? It's been holding us up. Past couple times we pushed through it. We do got those wicks on the bottom of those candles as well for those buyers. So not a clean session so far. Very low momentum. I most likely be getting off at 10:30 if this is how it's going to keep moving. Because I gotta go get my registrations renewed, all that stuff today. And that's a process when you're renewing like over 10 vehicles. So son, you need to stop trying. You need to get off the stream, sir. What you just said makes 0 sense. But I love you too. Around the 7th, okay. Come on, we'll go grab a steak, Andre. How long are you going to be in town for? Yellow line tap on that 5-minute. The fight's real right here. The Bulls want to push it higher. Let's have a rocket ship. Let's go to the high of this 15-minute range. I'll take that if we get there. I want to see us clear this wick. Currently at 398. 398. We got that whole number at 400 as well. So I'll wait. I'm not trying to risk anything. Let me go to the calendar, see what news we got coming out next week. So December 1st, we got 10 o'clock news. December 3rd, December 3rd is a big news day. We have 3 pieces of news coming out. So December 1st, we have manufacturing PMI. December 3rd, national employment, S&P Global, and the ISM PMI as well. So that's on the 3rd, the 4th. Okay. So we'll get some good movement next week. This is why I didn't just stay in that long I was in. Trying to come back down to the middle of that 15-minute range. So, no, sir. Let's do. I don't know. I don't know today, gentlemen. Been waiting for a long play, but it's looking bearish slightly. But we're literally at the middle of this 15-minute range, so all we can do is just wait. We gotta go either up or down. That's the most I can tell you right now. We're going up or down. One of the two. I'll probably be getting off at 10:30 because this market is just too slow for my liking. I'm not trying to get chopped up today either. Rather take the ones I won today and come back Monday morning ready to trade. Just not liking this movement. Too tight. Let's look at some higher time frames. Remember tonight, traders hang out 9:15 tonight p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna be hanging out, vibing, talking, having good conversations. If I were you guys, because I'm getting off in 4 minutes here, if we don't get below 362 with momentum, don't take a trade. If we don't get above, I would say 412, don't take a trade. That's the little zone that we're currently in. No reason for you guys to get chopped up on a Friday. Here comes that 362 level. We almost touched it. We didn't go through it. Well, there's that 362 level pivot point. Are we finally going to lose it? Nope, the bulls step right in. We're in chop zone. We're in chop zone. Look at those wicks on those candles. Not a good place to go short, I'll tell you that. We need more momentum here. This is why I do not trade the overnight sessions. This is literally how it moves, just slow. I can't do slow. We need some speed. We got the VWAP below us. We'd love to take it short all the way down there, but we need to move a little bit more. Yeah, I'm thinking about calling it here, gentlemen. Market's not moving. We're just chopping. Choppity and chop. I'm not trying to get chopped up today. Are we finally going to get through this 362 and start waterfalling? Because at this point, the way it's moving, it needs to do something quick here or else I'm just getting off. Because if I keep watching this, I'm going to end up taking a trade I don't want to take. Then I'll be annoyed for the rest of the weekend. Not trying to do that. Tonight, if you don't already know, tonight traders hang out 9:15 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to hang out, we're going to vibe, and we're just going to have great conversations and laugh together. So make sure you guys tune in for that live on YouTube Shorts. on the NQ, other than right when market opened, we've been going sideways in the middle of this 15-minute range. So for me personally, the hardest thing to do is trade that range when we're going sideways. You know what I'm saying? If we're going up or down, we could do that. But sideways, that's a no-go. That's a no-go for me. BPK, I completely agree with you, sir. That's why I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs, hoping, praying that we get some type of movement, but we don't have the momentum and volume today. It is Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving, so this was kind of expected. So definitely not the best day to be trading. And at this point, I would probably tell people, wait to break either to the high or the low of the 15-minute range, because anything inside the 15 is just going to be chopping. That's disgusting, BK. Well, BPK, that's disgusting. Like 13 hours of dojis. Oh, I would have lost myself. Tonight, reminder, I'm gonna keep saying it. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:15 p.m. Eastern time. No trades, just great entertainment and fellowship. This market is going absolutely nowhere. Gotta love it. Do not get chopped up today, gentlemen. It's not worth it. It's Friday. You don't want to take that getting chopped up into the weekend with you. That's never fun. Okay. BPK, where are you trading? What instruments are you trading? Are you trading gold, Nasdaq, Forex? What's your cup of tea, sir? Okay. I trade NQ. That's my baby. NQ is my baby. It's like trying to put lightning in a bottle. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love it. I trade the minis. I do not trade the micros personally. Andre could potentially be. We've just been going sideways. We've been going sideways this morning. Literally close to the middle is 15-minute range, the middle of it going sideways. So unless we go for a breakout this 15, I'm not taking any trades. I'll probably be getting off here shortly as well, because if I keep watching, I'm gonna take a bad trade. I know myself. Okay. Yeah, I trade the 50Ks, but I trade minis on them. So yeah, I'm normally trading between 1 to 4 contracts. I mean, if Bitcoin does sell off, Andre, I'll probably have to purchase a little bit. I love when we get those pullbacks on those cryptos. That's the best time to buy. My win rate is pretty decent. Above average, I'll say. Not trying to toot my own horn. Okay. I literally flipped the 50K accounts. You know what I'm saying? Because on all my funded 50Ks, my sole goal is to only get, well, not only, if we get more, cool, but to at least get 3,500 per account for the month. And I trade multiple accounts. A 33% win rate. If you use my strategy, you'll be well above 33%. My win rate is over 82%. Yes, sir. I feel that one, Andre. I don't copy trade. So I rotate all my accounts. I do not copy trade them unless the market's like moving really, really, really well. I never recommend copy trading because you take a bad trade on one, you took a bad trade on all. We'll take that. I'm up $25 in my Robinhood account today. So we'll take that. Those are just long-term holds. We're literally right here at the middle of this 15-minute range. So there's nothing to do, gentlemen. But BPK, if you want to get your win rate higher, feel free to join the Legacy Wealth Society private trading community. Click Founders Group. That'll get you in completely for free. My way of giving back to the trading community. Welcome everyone that's jumping in here. We're just hanging out because we don't have much to do. Market's going sideways right now. And when it's going sideways at the middle of the 15-minute range, where we don't diddle, we don't trade it. Because if you trade it, you're going to get chopped up. Well, speaking for myself, if I trade it, I'm going to get chopped up. So it's the day after Thanksgiving, not much volume, there's no momentum today. So all we can do is hang out, talk. For all the new people as well, tonight, 9:15 p.m. Eastern time, we're going live for the Traders Hangout, where we just come together, we talk, we vibe, we chill. We'll have sports playing in the background. If we got basketball or football on. Basketball, not football night. But yeah, come check us out. Come vibe with us. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Mine was pretty solid. I was kind of hungover this morning from eating too much ham and turkey. Just saying, I can be honest about it. Tonight, I'm actually craving like a steak from my favorite restaurant in Orlando. So I may have to go get it. Give me a big old 48-ounce tomahawk. We got that 400 level above us. We would have to get through there with momentum for me to even be like, oh, let me look at the charts. BPK, enjoy your breakfast, man. Eat some eggs for me. Eat some eggs for me, brother. This market is absolute trash today. I may have to do some Christmas shopping on Amazon today. I love shopping on Amazon these days for Christmas. My kids, they literally send me their wish list on Amazon. I just click, 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 done. Quick and simple. So what's up, people? Talk to your boy, because we got nothing else to do. We can't trade this. Well, you can try, but it's not pretty. It's not pretty. Is everyone good? Did everyone enjoy their day yesterday? If you're having a good day today, what should I have you put in the chat? Decisions. If you're having a good day, go ahead and put a fire emoji in the chat. If you're having a blah day, put a 0. That's how we're going to play that one today. Because I'm officially done trading. It's coming up to 10:45 too. I normally get off at 11. There's no reason for me to trade anymore. We're not trying to go into the weekend red. That's the worst, because all you're thinking about is getting back in the market, and you can't till Sunday. So, well, for me, Monday. Some people trade that Sunday night overnight session, which I don't recommend doing. But that's just my own personal preference. You do you, people. You do you. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. So what's up, chat? What's good? Talk to your boy. We're just hanging out. Bro, are you in drawdown or you're in profit right now? Because the market's not moving. The market is not moving, sir. What am I going? I'm not going to eat right now. I want to, but I got to go to the DMV today. You know how exciting that is, people. I got to renew some registrations today. And it's always a pain because when you're renewing 10 cars, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. But I'm thinking about just paying for 2 years for all of them. So that way I don't got to think about it till 2028? No, 7? Yeah. No. Yeah, 2027. Or 8, I forget. Okay. Honestly, you may just want to. My recommendation, if you went in at 25,401, yeah, you're in the green. Are you in that one contract or more? Because the way it's so tight up here, I'm not trying to touch it. It's too choppy, chop today. There's no volume, no momentum, so I can't trade it. I could try, but then I'm just going to make a fool of myself. If you're new to the stream, go ahead and put new in the chat so I can welcome you guys. If you're a regular, you know what I'm saying, put that fire emoji. I've already been talking to some of you guys, so we'll definitely take it. Tonight, 9:15 p.m. Eastern time, Traders Hangout. Best place to be on Friday, Saturday night, or any night of the week that we're live for that Traders Hangout, where we just vibe up, we talk about trading, talk about life, and we have some good old laughs. Because in these morning sessions, these are more serious. You know what I'm saying? We're serious because we're making money in the markets. Today, we're not making much money because the market's not going anywhere. Andre, be careful. That's all I'm going to say. Andre, be careful. All right, starting to move up here. But there's not enough momentum for me still. Well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I feel like I should probably get off because the market is starting to move up, but I don't want to trade it. I do not want to trade this. We got that pivot point up there, 415, 415 for a pivot. Here comes that pivot point. Are we finally going to get that breakout of this opening range today for the 15 minutes? Almost tapped that pivot point. We did not tap it. Almost. Yeah, it's still not. We don't have enough momentum for me to get excited. Here comes that pivot point. There's the pivot point touch. Maybe we build a bull flag. Keyword maybe. We got that high of the 15 above us as well. I'm targeting the high of the 15-minute range, just so you guys know. Got the finger on the trigger ready to close if it starts going against me. Well, Poobie, not enough today. Not enough. Market's been going sideways today. So, debating if I just close this one out so I could technically still have a green day. I use the 2-minute, the 5-minute. It just honestly varies. I go through all of them, but I'm mainly looking at the 2-minute and the 5-minute. Just got stopped out, which it is what it is. The market's not doing what we want it doing today. And that was my last stab at it for the day. Teach me something about trading. Well, sir, very simple. You want to wait for the first 15 minutes so you get that range. Then if it's in the middle of that range, you do not trade it. If you want to learn how to trade, in the bio, click for the link for the Legacy Wealth Society Founders Group. That will get you in our private trading community completely for free. And you'll be able to learn in there tonight, 9:15 p.m. Eastern time, we have the Traders Hangout. We're going to be hanging out tonight, talking about trading, vibing up, just chilling. I know I shouldn't do this. I know I shouldn't switch, but well, guys, I'm gonna be getting off here. I will see you guys tonight, 9:15 p.m. It's been a pleasure.
All right, Duane.
Andre, I figured that was possibly going to happen. I said be careful. G, I heard you. Have a great rest of your day, sir. I will see you guys later this evening if you're on the Traders Hangout. All right, guys, have a good one.
Yeah.
I'll be looking for a long right now, Andre, just so you know, because we just had bull flag slightly print, but we're going to see. Watch the 5-minute. I'm getting off here so I don't lose any more money for the day. What indicators do you use? Pooby. I use the VWAP, pivot points, and the opening range break. And that's it. On the channel, I should have a video that talks about the indicators as well, just so you know. Am I good at trading? Depends on who you ask. You know what I'm saying? Like, for someone that's only been trading consistently now for just over a year, right? Each and every month I get payouts from prop firms. And on top of that, my win rate is over 82%. So you take that with a grain of salt. If that's good to you, then I'm a good trader. If that's not good to you, I'm not a good trader. Very, very simple. Some people say I'm a good one. Other people, you never know. Teach me, master. Well, I'm not a master because I'm still trying to perfect this myself each and every day. I did put together a strategy that's helped a lot of people actually make money in the markets. So feel free to join the community completely for free, the founders group. And I'm going to be getting off here. You guys have a great rest of your day. I got to go handle some other things. Be blessed. And I will see you guys tonight at 9:15 p.m. for the Traders Hangout. Have a good one, guys.